Crystal green waters, warm golden sand beneath your feet, palm trees swaying, dancing and playing with the gentle breeze. Hi everyone, it's great to see you again, and if you're new to my channel then a big welcome to you. Today we're going to be doing a poundland DIY and we're going to be creating a miniature world in this tiny pocket mirror. What you're going to start off with is a printout off Google. Just type in beach and select whatever picture you like and print that out. It doesn't have to be a laser printer. I actually printed this on an inkjet printer and that will work fine. Take your mirror and your printout and draw along the circumference of your mirror. Now that we have our circumference drawn, just get your scissors and cut that out. Once you've cut out your print, it will fit in nicely inside your mirror. So all you're going to do now is use some mud podge and stick that down. Now to bring out the colours more, I'm also going to apply a thin layer of mud podge over the print. While we wait for this part to dry, we're going to start working on this side of the mirror. And to do that, I'm going to start with some sand. And this part is really easy. You're just going to take some sand and put it inside your mirror. I'm now going to take my small miniature boats, and I will leave these in the description box if you want to check them out. Just add that there. And I'm going to also take a palm tree and I'm going to cut the smaller one. I'm going to stop working at the bottom side of the mirror and start working on the top again. So you can see here what the mud podge has done. It's made it look more hand painted, and that's why I choose to do that. I'm also going to go in with some more detailing and take some white mixed paint, just a small amount on my paintbrush here. So if you want to get away with making something look like you've spent way more time doing it, or that you have hand painted it yourself, this is something that you can do. So once you're happy with that, take your mud podge Dimensional Magic, and what I'm going to do with the mud podge is put it all over the sea area. We're just really applying some depth to this and making it pop and adding some more detailing. So once you're happy with that, leave that just to dry. Make sure that you lie it flat while you're drying it so that it doesn't pour down. To finish decorating the bottom of the mirror, I'm taking these small miniature people, and I'll leave the link for this as well in the description box. So you've got quite a few. You've got some that are lying down, you have some that are sitting, you've got boys, you've got girls. There's one waving. So you're going to choose which one you want. I think I'm happy with these two. So I've just gone ahead and added some hot glue to the palm tree at the bottom and stuck that down and covered the area with sand. Now this half has dried. You can see the 3D dome effect for the water there. So I also just went in with some white paint, the one that I used before, that's ready mixed, and added a small amount here And that's it, our DIY is now completed. A magical paradise in a compact mirror. And then here's your miniature people just chilling in the sand. It literally fits in my palm. And I just want to bring you in a bit closer to see the detailing in the ocean. Just look at the water effect. And all of the shading, all of the gradients. So it's like a 2-in-1 really. You've got a hand painting on this side here with some really nice cool water effects. And then down here you have a diorama. And isn't it just beautiful? You can't not love miniatures, right? There's just something about them. So if you have enjoyed this DIY, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I guess that's it for now. I'll see you in the next DIY. Bye!